Hello everyone, back to today's first video. We're doing 5-day forecast days first period. Later on we'll have the 40-day look ahead with Beijing climate which take us to the end of October with that particular update. But this is going for the next 5 days ahead in detail. Going to be a fairly changeable period coming up. There will be showers coming and going. Not a complete washout by any means, particularly with the south and east. There'll be plenty of dry weather, but just a more changeable autumnal type feel, really, I think, over the coming 5 days. So I'll get on with that in a second. Before you get on with that, just to say about the ads, there's articles on all pages. Have a browse widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. And thanks very much for doing that. This video ads most pages which own that content. When you watch them, they close back up again. It does help to pay GazOvers.com. And just say about websites we're using for 5-day forecast coming from the weatheroutlook.com and weathertech.de. You find links to both websites on links page. So here we go with the radar picture. We've got a band of quite heavy and persistent rain coming in across Ireland at the moment. That's the weather system. Ahead of it, there's a few showers breaking out at the moment across Wales and southern parts of England. They'll get more widespread, particularly through Wales, the Midlands and Northern England during the course of this afternoon. Otherwise, it is dry to the east. There's a lot of cloud around today, a few brighter chinks coming through, but generally quite a cloudy day today. Sunshine going to be quite limited. Here's the Arctic pressure chart from westcentral.de. We've got high pressure up over Scandinavia and low pressure out in the Atlantic. And there's a weather front pushing into Ireland associated with that area of low pressure. Ahead of it, just a bit of instability producing those showers. So we'll find that band of heavy and persistent rain across Ireland spreading into western parts of Scotland by the end of this afternoon. Fairly slow moving band. Elsewhere, showers will get more widespread, particularly through Wales, the Midlands and Northern England. Some of them could be quite heavy, but they'll be fairly scattered even in those areas. Not everywhere will get showers by any means. A lot of places will stay dry. And further south and east of that, there will be plenty of dry weather. A few showers scattered about here and there, but plenty of dry weather, I think, for the south and southeast, albeit with quite a lot of cloud. So in the cloud, temperatures today are going to be reaching around 17, 18 degrees, something like that. Nothing to write home about. In the sunshine, you could get up to around 22. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. That's most likely down in the southeast. A pretty warm afternoon in southeastern parts of the country. Tonight, that weather system will push into central northern parts of the country. So we'll take the persistent rain from Ireland through into Scotland, parts of northern England as well. Further south of that, there should be a fair amount of dry weather. A few showers still scattered about, but I would have thought there's a fair amount of dry weather down in the southeast tonight. Temperatures holding up at around 10 to 13 degrees. We move through into Thursday. It looks quite a showery day for Thursday, bringing in this westerly wind with a cold front dawdling across the country. So persistent rain in the north first thing will break up and turn more showery. And then England and Wales will have showers through the course of the day, and some of those could be on the sharp side. They will be fairly well scattered, so yeah, not everywhere will get those showers, but if you get one, probably be quite heavy and slow moving. Temperatures again in any sunny spell could be up to around 22 degrees, otherwise around 17 or 18. That system will clear away overnight, Thursday into Friday, and then we get a build of a high pressure ridge building up from the southwest for Friday itself ahead of this area of low pressure. It's deepening like mad in the Atlantic. So showers will clear away overnight Thursday into Friday, and Friday will start off on quite a cold note actually. It'll be a cold night with temperatures widely going down into single figures. In fact, it could get low enough for a touch of ground frost in the Scottish Glens. Temperatures around 7, 8 degrees quite widely across the country. 2s, 3s, 4s perhaps in sheltered rural parts of Scotland. However, that will lead to a nice start to Friday. There'll be good sunny spells, albeit quite cold and autumnal feeling. England and Wales will keep it dry and fine under this ridge throughout the day with decent sunny spells coming through. But Scotland and Northern Ireland, you see the isobars are tightening up here to the north and west. Scotland and Northern Ireland will turn windy and cloudy through the day with outbreaks of heavy rain developing through Ireland and western and northern Scotland before the end of Friday afternoon. After a cold start, temperatures will eventually reach around 15 or 16 for many parts of the country. The south and southeast could be up to around 18 or 19 degrees, but a bit of a cooler day actually for Friday. Weekend weather prospects are looking quite unsettled. Low pressure is coming in slowly off the Atlantic, so we're looking at quite a wet and windy spell of weather for the north and west, I think, on Saturday. Scotland, Ireland, northwest England, Wales, down to southwest England will see outbreaks of rain driven on by strong southwesterly winds moving in from the Atlantic during the course of the day. It's a slow-moving band. This sort of produce some quite big rainfall totals, especially on the western slopes of high ground around Western Britain. Expect a couple of inches of rain quite easily, I think, through the course of Saturday. The Midlands, Eastern England, South East England, not too bad actually on Saturday. There will be sunny spells, probably turning more cloudy through the afternoon. The wind will start to get up, but it's going to be pretty warm down in the southeast on Saturday. The temperature's going up to 21 or 22 degrees. Of course, in the wind and rain up to the north and west, temperatures there are really going to struggle at just 14 or 15 Celsius. That rain will spread across the whole country Saturday night, giving quite a wet and windy spell through the course of the night. There'll still be some rain left in the east on Sunday morning, and some of that could be quite heavy around breakfast time. It'll clear away into the North Sea, and then we're looking at a windy, breezy day with sunshine and showers packing in from the west. So Scotland, Ireland, Wales, southwest England, northwest England too will be at risk of quite heavy showers on Sunday. Once that persistent rain clears the east coast, it's probably going to be mostly dry in the east, but a few showers could be pushed through by those brisk westerly winds. Temperatures will be a lot cooler in the east and south on Sunday at just 17 or 18 Celsius. In the north and west, 13s, 14s and 15s really sums it up. And then we go through into Monday, the end of 5-day forecast period. Still looking unsettled. We've got a bit of a ridge again building to the southwest, but low pressures returning to the north and west. So we do it all over again, really. What we do on Saturday, we'll do on Monday with a dry start, eventually seeing cloud and outbreaks of rain with freshening winds spreading into Scotland and Northern Ireland. England and Wales probably having a mostly dry day. After a chilly start, temperatures probably up to about average at around, say, 14 to 19 Celsius. Much more changeable period, as I said at the start. Find out we've got charts of weather out, so we've got risk of showers breaking out through the course of this afternoon. This gives the impression they'll be very widespread and a lot of them around. I think they'll be quite well scattered, but if you get one, it is likely to be quite heavy. More showery bursts on Thursday, and a fairly warm day in the east. That'll clear away and turn quite cold on Thursday night, so a chilly start to Friday, but Friday looks a decent day with a lot of dry weather and sunny spells. Temperature's nothing to write home about, but it'll be quite a nice day on Friday. Saturday turns wet and windy in the north and west, with that rain spreading southwards and eastwards across the country through into the early hours of Sunday. Still hanging around in the east on Sunday morning, but clearing away to sunshine and showers with cool westerly winds through Sunday itself. And then we finish up on Monday. Fair amount of dry weather in the south, more cloud, wind and rain returning to the north and to the west. So it looks like autumnal conditions are well and truly in now. We're going to be seeing some outbreaks of rain at times with showers in between, but not a complete washout, particularly for the south and east. There will be a lot of dry weather coming up. Temperatures a bit up and down, sometimes quite warm still, just in the far southeast, but generally near normal. And in fact, for the north and west, at times, anyway, in the most persistent areas of rain, it will feel quite cool. That's all for now. Come back later on for the 40-day look ahead with the Bayesian Climate Centre. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.